of the sea. And so here in this hadith, we talked, the Prophet ﷺ mentions one of the virtues of the statement SubhanAllahi wa Bihamdhi. And earlier in the week, we talked about how this statement, SubhanAllahi wa Bihamdihi wa SubhanAllahil Azeem, is beloved to our Rahman and heavy in the scales. And so this hadith that we're mentioning this morning is one of the evidences that shows exactly how much this statement is worth with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because a person saying Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi in the course of one day 100 times, then this will be a means to have his sins removed. So just saying these statements Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi. And so if we can combine our hadith from earlier in the week, and this hadith from today, Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi wa Subhanallahil Azeem, if we were to say that 100 times, then we will be collecting the rewards from the first hadith, being heavy in the scale and beloved to our Rahman. And we'll also be collecting the rewards of the second hadith from today, which will be a means of removal of one's sins. And so this shows us the importance of remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on our tongues throughout the day, that we should randomly, at not any specific times or places, but when it comes to our minds, whether we're in the car, whether we're just sitting down in our cubicles, or if we're standing in line at the grocery store, or if we're waiting at the DMV, or wherever it is that we are, that we should be remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with these remembrances that have been taught to us by the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, because in them there's a tremendous amount of reward. We should not just wait to have to do something, act of worship, to think that this is how we receive the great reward. But receiving the great reward is found in following the sunnah of Allah's Messenger alayhi salatu wasalam. So ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us. Ask Allah ta'ala to reward us and to bless us all in all of our affairs.